What is a toner? Is it really necessary? And is there an appropriate one for your skin type? Watch this full video and we'll get to all those questions and more. Hey, I'm Sue and this is Leslie, our skincare expert, and we are here to get you the best skin of your life with simple tips. So stick around and make sure you subscribe for more notifications for more skincare information. So, Leslie, toners.
Yes.
It's a very popular product, but what exactly do they do?
Yeah, so it is definitely a popular product, and actually it's a whole segment of products. So toners, astringents, softeners, lotions, basically all of those terms can be used to describe the same type of product. And the most basic function of all of those products is actually to rebalance your skin's pH level after you're done cleansing. So when you wash your face, your cleanser is most likely at a higher pH than what your skin should be. And it needs to be in order to actually remove impurities, dirt, oil, makeup from the surface of your skin. Toners are then used after to bring your skin back to its regular pH. That's gonna make it feel a lot more comfortable, less tight, and it's gonna help to improve the absorption of the other products you use afterwards.
Okay, but do I really need a toner, or can I accomplish that just with water and then moisturizing?
Yeah, so I always talk to different clients and I get two camps of people. I get people that swear by using toner and won't live without one, and then I get people that I cannot convince to use one. And I'm in group A, I must use toner. So to me, they really are an essential step of a skincare routine. And what you'll probably notice by using a toner in between your cleanser and your moisturizer, for example, is that you'll probably use less of your moisturizer because it's going to absorb more efficiently.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I'm going to use a toner, I have sensitive skin. Do I need to get a certain product for my skin type?
Yeah, everyone should look for a toner that's appropriate for their skin type. And there are so many different formulas on the market. So whether you're oily, dry, or in your case, sensitive, for more sensitive skin, I always recommend looking for an alcohol-free formula. And also look for ingredients that are more hydrating. So ingredients like hyaluronic acid that are gonna add extra water to your skin. And then you can look out for ingredients that are labeled as anti-inflammatory or calming and soothing, because those are gonna help to further eliminate redness or any signs of irritation.
Okay, lots of great information. Let me go back over a couple points there. So toner is a necessary part of skincare routine because it's going to bring my skin itself back to a base level of pH.
That's right.
Help my other products absorb better.
Yes.
And I absolutely want to look for product that is specific to my skin type.
Always.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Leslie.
My pleasure. And if you want more information about toners or any skincare products, or if you'd like to know more about anti-aging or how to build a skincare routine for yourself, I actually host a live webinar, and you can join just by clicking on the link below, and you'll receive all this free information directly to your email.
And make sure you come back here because we'll be doing more of these chats to give you more free tips for great skincare. Just click on the link below, subscribe, and leave your comments and questions so we can get to those as well. We'll see you soon.